So these two are important problems. So first one, the expression cos square x plus cos square a plus x minus 2 cos a into cos x into cos a plus x is independent of dash. Okay, so first of all take if suppose x equal 0, you may take a equal 0 also, no problem. If x equal 0, see the left hand side, LHS becomes cos square 0 plus cos square a plus 0 minus 2 cos a cos 0 into cos of a plus 0. So now this is equal to 1 plus cos square a minus cos 0 is 1, cos a into cos a, cos square a, 2 cos square a. So that is equal to 1 minus cos square a, that is equal to sin square a. If you take x equal 0, just we are getting some function in terms of a. So with the help of this we can't say which is the dependent one or independent one. Independent one. Suppose if you take a is equal 0, what will happen? Now LHS becomes, if you take a equal 0, then we will get cos square x plus cos square x, again 0 plus x, cos square x minus 2 into cos a into cos a means cos 0 into cos x into cos of 0 plus x. Here 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square x is equal 0. If you take a is equal 0, we are getting 0 constant value. So there is no x term also. If you take x equal 0, we are getting a expression in terms of a. From these two, we can simply say this expression is depends upon a, independent upon 0. This expression is independent of x. If you take x equal 0, we are getting answer in a. Okay, so this expression is depends upon a. Okay, if you take a equal 0, we are getting constant. There is no a and x. If you take a equal 0, that means we are removing a, but we are not disturbing x. But even though we are getting some constant value, the expression is not in terms of x. So from these two, we can say that this expression is independent of x. So by direct method also we can prove, by direct simplification. So first of all, you can write these two functions in the form of cos square a minus sin square b. There is a formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b. With the help of that method also we can solve this. Okay, so this is also one of the method. At x equal 0, we are getting in terms of a. Okay, that means this is not independent of a. Maybe independent of a, dependent of x, no, I don't know. In case of this expression at x equal 0, whatever the x value, we are getting a value in terms of a means it is dependent on x. We don't know about the x. If we a equal 0, so here also we are getting constant value. That means here the value, the effect of x is no in the answer. There is no effect of x here. That means it is not, the total expression not depending upon x, just only depending on a. That means we can say that this given expression is independent of x, dependent of a. Okay, let's see the second one. Here, if sine 1 plus sine 2x by 1 minus sine 2x is called cot square of something, then what is the value of a? We have to express cot square or tan square. Understand? 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos or 1 plus cos by 1 minus cos is there. There is a chance to get tan square or cot square. Because tan square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. If in place of sine function cos is there, there is a chance to get tan square or cot square. Just simply write down sin 2x in terms of cos. Here 1 plus or 1 minus cot function is there. Better to bring into the form of 1 plus cos by 1 minus cos. 1 plus cos of 90 minus 2x divided by 1 plus cos of 90 minus 2x, sorry, minus is there. Okay, so is equal to cot square a plus x. So 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, cot square theta by 2. So this is nothing but cot square theta by 2. That means pi by 2 minus 2x whole divided by 2. That is equal to cot square a plus x. Okay, so we have to express a plus x form. Then we have to find the a value. So here from this we are getting cot square pi by 4 minus 2x is equal to cot square a plus x. Okay, now what is the value of a? Just observe this. Here what to find out? So 2 is there, pi by 4 minus x, right. So cot square a is equal to cot square b. But here we have to find out a value, but this should be in plus form. How can you write it? It is simple. Here square is there. You can write cot of pi minus theta. Cot pi minus theta minus cot theta. Okay. But square is there. So no problem with the negative. So we can write cot square of pi minus theta. That means this one. So by direct, so x same, pi minus pi by 4 value is equal to a. Just observe that. This expression is equal to cot square of a plus x. What is the value of a is asking. Cot square function is there, but structure is no structure. 1 plus sine by 1 minus sine. If cos function is there, there is a chance to guess tan square theta by 2 or cot square theta by 2. So for that purpose, just we are changing sine function. Okay. So how can you write in terms of cos? Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. So no problem. Here there is a formula. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. That is equal to cot square theta by 2. So okay, no problem. The functions are same. But we have to find out a value. So we have to compare this angle with this. Here a plus x is there. We have to write plus x value. So here we can write cos square theta equal to cos square pi minus theta. Actually cos pi minus theta is minus cot theta. But here square is there, no problem with minus. So cot square theta equal to cot square pi minus theta. So now equate this two angles. Pi minus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 plus x is equal to a plus x. So a is equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay, understand? This is very easy problem. Okay, right.